Okay. So with that done, we've got ourselves what is, to all intents and purposes, a perfectly serviceable slot for the job that we're doing. So I think what I'll do is just run this to the end to clean it up, and then we'll check width. We'll do it in 2 halves. We'll go maybe in 3 actually. Let's have a look. Let's see what this does. Let's wind that out. Put that off, look. Start her up, let her rotate a chip, bit of lube, and take it. Just to clean up those last pips, and then we'll have a measure. So down to 30. Bear with, just coming up now. Come on, bastard. There's your 30. And now we'll drop it down quite a bit more and send it back the other way. And now one final drop just to get this clear, and back to that 30. Which is bang on the money at that. So there we go. We'll have a measure. So the bit of plate, I'll go and fetch a bit of plate. Hold on, bear with.